right. This time we are going to discuss about exam pattern of UPSC. The UPSC exam is conducted in two stages, prelims and mains, which are then followed by an interview as last round. Notification of UPSC will come in March. First exam is prelims, which will happen in month of August every year. It has two papers, both are 200 marks. Paper first with 100 questions and paper second with 80 questions. Each question is objective type with one correct answer from 4 options. The minimum qualification marks for paper second is 33%. In both paper, negative marking is 1/3. Paper first is General Studies with following syllabus: Current Affairs, History of India, Indian and World Geography, Indian Polity and Governance, Economy and Social Development, General Issue on Environment, General Science. Second paper is General Aptitude Test with following syllabus: Comprehension, Interpersonal Skills including Communication Skills, Logical Reasoning and Analytical Ability, Decision Making and Problem Solving. General Mental Ability, Basic Numerical, Data Interpretation, English Language Comprehension Skills. Second stage is mains exam, which will happen in December and it has 9 papers. First, second paper are language, which are only qualifying paper. Both papers are 300 marks. Paper A is Indian language of your choice. Paper B is English language. Rest 7 papers are merit deciding papers with 250 marks each. First paper is AC. Paper second is General Studies. It has following syllabus: India, Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and Society. Paper 3 is General Studies. It has following syllabus: Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice, International Relation. Paper 4th is General Studies with following syllabus: Technology, Economic Development, Biodiversity, Environment, Security, Disaster Management. Paper 5th is General Studies with Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. Paper 6th is optional paper, Paper 1st. Paper 7th is also optional subject, Paper 2nd. After qualifying mains, selected candidates are called for interview round, which is 275 marks, which will happen in March. Total marks from written test 1800 marks. Interview is 275. In total 2075 marks. Final rank will be decided based on total marks of 2075, which will come in June and July. Hope you like the information. Stay tuned for other videos on UPSC. Thanks for watching.